Assalamu alaikum students. Wishing you all a very good morning. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Allah. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you all. As you all know, I am Miss Nasreen Fatma, your maths teacher. I hope you enjoyed and learned the previous concepts well. Today we will learn again the numbers and the arithmetic operation and the topics place value up to 8 and 9 digit numbers and the addition and the subtraction of the larger numbers. First we will take a quick review of a place value chart. A place value helps us to determine the value of numbers. Every digit in a number has a place value. It can be defined as the value represented by the digit in a number by the position of the digit in the number. Now let's discuss the place value chart of 9-digit numbers. The place value chart of 9-digit numbers has 3 periods: the ones period, the thousands period, and the millions period. Each period consists of 3 place values. Ones consist of 1, tens, hundreds. The thousands consist of thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. And millions consist of millions, 10 million, and 100 millions. With the help of this place value chart, we will write the number in expanded form and in standard form. How to write the number in standard form? Standard form means we have to place the commas between the periods. It means after every 3 digits or after every 3 place value, we will place the comma. So the comma has placed after 3 digits the first comma, and the second comma is also placed after 3 digits. Means the first comma is between thousands and ones period, and the second comma in between millions and thousands period. This is the standard form of the number. Now the expanded form. We will expand this number. How can we expand this number? First we will write how many digits are there. These are the 9 digits. We will write the first number, that is 100 million. The 100 millions means 1 is followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will replace all the numbers by 0 and we will write 1 followed by 8 zeros. Then plus, and that is called the 100 millions. Then 2 is followed by 7 zeros means 20 millions, plus 3 in 1 million means 3 millions. 3 is followed by 6 zeros or 3 millions. Then 4 in 100,000, so 400,000. Then 10,000, in 10,000 we have 5 means 5 tens means 50,000. 5 is followed by 4 zeros. Then 6 in 1,000, that is 6,000. Then 7, 100, 8, 0, 80, and 9. This is the expanded form of the number. How do we write the number in words? Now let's see. 123 are in millions period. So 123 are millions, 456 are thousands, and 789. So we will write the number in words 123 millions 456,789. Now let's discuss the successor. Successor means a number just comes after a number is called a successor. For example, what comes after 12,245,999? To find the successor of any number, we can add 1 in ones place, then we can find the successor. Let's see. 12,245,999 plus 1 is equals to 9 plus 1, 10. 0 is in the same column, 1 carry to the left column. Then 9 plus 1, again 10. 1, 0 is in the same column and 1 carry to the left column. 9 plus 1, again 10 is equals to 0 and 1 carry to the next category on the next column. So 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 4 as it is, 2 as it is, 2 and 1 as it is. So the successor of 12,245,999 is 12,246,000 only. Now the predecessor means a number that comes before a number is called predecessor. For example, what comes before 500 million? For finding the predecessor of any number, we will subtract 1 from 1's place. Now let's subtract 1 from 1's place. 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract 1 from 0. We will borrow the number 1 from the next number, but the next number is also 0 and we have zeros. How many zeros? We have 7 zeros. After 7 zeros we have 5. Now we will borrow from 5, then the 5 becomes 4. Then this 0 will be 10. When we borrow 1 from 10, this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Then we will borrow again and again and again, and then we will borrow the 1 from this 10 and this 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Then 9 as it is, 9 will be written as it is, this 9, this 9, this 9, these all 9s will be written as it is, and 4 will be written as it is. So the predecessor of 500 million is 499,999,999. Value of ring digit. In this place value chart, you can see that the number is 7,345,621 and 3 is a ring digit and it is in 100,000. So how many thousands are there? 300,000. So the place value of this ring digit is 300,000, or we can write it in words 300,000. Now let's revise the ascending and descending order. First, ascending order. Ascending means smallest to the biggest. Now we have to arrange the larger numbers in ascending order, means smallest number to the biggest number. So the example is 243,657,109. The second number is 234,657,190. 234,657,019. Now you can see 234,657,000 in three numbers are same. The difference in the numbers is 109, 190 and 19. So which one is the smallest one? The smallest number is 234,657,019, 234,657,109 and 234,657,190. Then descending order. Descending means biggest to the smallest. Now we have to arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest number. So example, 69,352,000, 69,523,000, 69,235,000. Now we have to arrange these numbers in descending order, means biggest to the smallest. Here the numbers. In these numbers, there is a difference in thousands period. 352,000, 523,000, 235,000. So which one is the biggest one? Obviously 523,000 is the biggest one, because rest of the numbers are same in three numbers. So in descending order, we will arrange the number first. 69,523, 69,523,000, 69,352,000, 69,235,000. The addition and subtraction of the larger number. Addition of the larger number. First we will take the example, write vertically, then add. When we write the number vertically, then we will add the numbers easily, because the larger numbers cannot be add or subtract in horizontal form. We have to write them vertically, then add. So the number is 75,397,605, 457,945 plus 6,145. First we will write these numbers vertically, then we will add. For this purpose, we will write the place value first. Then we will write the first number, the 75,397,605. Then the second number is 457,945. And the last number is 6,145. Now when we will add them, 5 plus 5 plus 5, we will get 15. 5 is in this column, 1 will be carried to the next category. Then 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 6 plus 1, 6 plus 9, 15 plus 1, 16. 6 in this column, 1 will be carried to the next. 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, and 15 plus 6, 21. Then 1 is in the same column, 2 will be carried to the next. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. 6 is in this column, 1 will be carried to the next. 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 8, 5 and 7. So the answer is 75,861,695. Now we are going to subtract the larger number in vertical form. Now write vertically, then subtract. That numbers are 853,960,543, 42,570,837. First we will write the place value, then we will write the first number vertically. 853 million 960,543 minus 42,570,837. Now we will subtract this number. Now let's subtract the number. 3 minus 7, we can't subtract 7 from 3. We borrow from 4. When we borrow 1 from 4, the 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. Then 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. 5 minus 8, we can't subtract 8 from 5. We borrow from 0, but we can't borrow from 0. We have to borrow from 6. Then 6 becomes 5 and this 0 becomes 10. And 10, when we borrow 1 from 10, this 10 becomes 9. Then 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. Then 5 from 7, we can't subtract. We borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8 and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. 9 minus 5, not 9, 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 8 as it is. So the answer is 811,389,706. Discuss what is meant by less than or more than. As you know all, when we add, we will get the bigger number or we will get more. And when we subtract, we will get the lesser number, means we will get less. So less than means we have to subtract and more than means we have to add. Now let's take an example. Write the number which is 9,000 more than 25,301,000. First we will write them vertically and then add, because we have to find the number which is 9,000 more than, means we have to add 9,000 in 25,301,000. When we add, then we will get 25,310,000. Now the less than means, write the number which is 2,500 less than 579,569. First we will write them vertically, then less, we have to find the less number, then we will subtract. 2,500 subtracted from 579,569, we will get 577,069. My dear students, I hope these reinforcement lectures help you to understand the previous concepts well, and these lectures help you to attempt the upcoming quizzes. So in the upcoming lecture, we will take another reinforcement of multiplication and division of the larger number and the DMaths rule. Thank you so much, my dear students. Take care of yourself and your environment. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.